ng pag-asa, pagbabago at pangarap na nagkakatotoo para sa bawat Pilipino. At dahil sa inyo, ang susunod na 15 taon ng First Vita Plus ay mas higit pa kung ano ang ating nakapit sa loob ng nakaraang 15 taon. Kayo ang lakas ko sa bawat laban. Kayo ang puso na nagbigay sa akin ng inspirasyon. Kayo ang nagpalawak sa aking isipan, ang nagtulak sa akin na gawin ng iba, at nag-iisa ang First Vita Plus. Maraming salamat po. Ultimate freedom is here to stay. Ultimate freedom is here to endure. Ultimate freedom is for you. Para sa inyo, para sa lahat ng panahon, para sa inyong napakagandang bukas at umaga. 15 taon ang nakaraan. Nung una akong humarap sa inyo, nabaon ang aking mga pangarap. Ano po ang sabi nila? Hindi kaya, hindi posible, hindi pwede. Pero pinatunayan natin lahat at paulit-ulit natin pinatutunayan na sa First Vita Plus, walang imposible. Alam
celebration, we would like to call on stage the members of our first family and first Vita Plus, Sir Soft, Lance, and Gabby, for their family photo on center stage. We shall now continue with the second part of his movie's presentation. Her much-awaited 15th anniversary announcements.
For the very first time, First Vita Plus dealers worldwide can watch this anniversary celebration live on Facebook. Just go to the official page of First Vita Plus Marketing Corporation and watch the entire event live on Facebook. And here tonight, friends, let's welcome live from Davao Branch. Good morning, Mindanao! And live from the United States Product Center, good morning, Los Angeles! Congratulations! Happy 15th anniversary! First Vita Plus Philippines! From First Vita Plus Los Angeles! Okay, power! My beloved dealers, we have come to the part of tonight's celebration that you have all been waiting for. Are you ready for our ultimate announcement? Let's begin. Because we are an ever-growing family, I would like to introduce to you our newest members. Welcome to First Vita Plus Summer Product Center. And operated by Miss Maylene Villa-Cortez. And from the east, welcome to the family, our Rizal Satellite Center, owned and operated by Mr. Ren Pamintuan. Okay. For our second announcement, Heads Up Philippines, as the Power of Five goes on a much-awaited nationwide tour in 2017. On February 18, we will be at the Santa Rosa in Laguna. On March 18, come join us in Pampanga. Hello, Mindoro on April 1. Later, especially in the areas of networking, because I want you to reach out to more global dealers. So first, like to let you know that we just signed a partnership with DHL to make shipping of our products faster, more convenient, and hassle-free. So DHL will have an in-house shipping desk at the First Vital Plus corporate headquarters in Santry Tower. And tonight, I am thrilled to announce our new and upcoming technological advancement for your networking needs. I present to you the first Vital Plus app for mobile phones and tablets, soon to be available at the Google Play and the App Store. And the good news is that this app is for free. This app will feature our website, news and updates, our catalog, events calendar, links to our official Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts. More importantly, you will have easy access to your very own personal online store. And soon, even vouchers for special treats and promos for First Vital Plus products, only available for those who have the app on their mobile devices. And now, for more great news, we will be extending the usual Wednesday discount madness of 35% off on all First Vital Plus products every Wednesday for the month of February 2017. This discount promo will only be available to those who will download the First Vital Plus app on their mobile devices. Plus, of course, more exciting discount and promo vouchers will be released throughout the year through the First Vital Plus app. So remember, no app, no discount vouchers. We'll share more when the app rolls out, so stay tuned and for its official launch with Google and Apple. And next, First Vital Plus is the first ever multi-level marketing company in the Philippines to partner with a major banking institution. And I proudly present to you the First Vital Plus Bank of Philippine Islands, or BPI, reloadable debit card. It is widely available, easily to get, an affordable payment card with the widest loading channels and worldwide acceptance. You can use it at the First Vital Plus direct sales department, where you can get an additional 2% discount off your look younger, fresher, and smoother skin all day long. Next, introducing SOS Aloe Soap with Aloe Vera, your perfect antibacterial skin companion. All from SOS Soap. Next, from Doi Miracles, I give you the Doi Miracles Gold Lotion, a luxurious all-over body lotion that stimulates cell regeneration and combats aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. From Doi Miracles line. Next, from the Herbal Blessings Amazing Moringa line, I give you the amazing Moringa Deodorant Roll-On. A deodorant that is formulated with Moringa seed oil to eliminate toxins and to help moisturize your skin. It also has licorice extracts and tea tree extract to help kill bacteria causing body odor, and it is also for whitening. Dami na ba? And fourth, this amazing Moringa deodorant also comes in a cream variant. The amazing Moringa Cream Deodorant. This unique formulation also purifies the skin, whitens, and kills bacteria causing body odor. So there you go, the first Vitaplus Moringa Cream Deodorant. For our fifth new product, definitely another breakthrough and a first in the industry, I present to you the amazing Moringa All-Around Balm. In a convenient stick dispenser, it helps soften dry, patched skin, disinfects insect bites, minor cuts and burns, and relieves cough and cold symptoms. Amazing Moringa All-Around Balm. And six, from Herbal Blessings, the DD Double Demand Skin Regimen. Starting with the DD Hydra Intense Skin Blurring Serum. This light serum visibly transforms dull and wrinkled skin to flawlessly smooth and healthy glowing finish. After applying the DD Hydra Intense Skin Blurring Serum, even out skin tones with the DD Compact Cream, an enriched cream that helps hydrate and rejuvenate skin, minimizing fine wrinkle lines and promotes cell renewal. which also helps lessen belly discomfort. And lemongrass, which helps digestion and controls cholesterol levels. There you go, Te Amo Herbal Revitalizing Tea. For the 10th and latest product, because I promise you that this dynamic product would make an exciting comeback, I present to you the 8 Senses Maca Coffee. The natural energy drink, this blend of maca, coffee, and moringa is a vital source of energy. The stimulating combination helps keep our body totally energized and healthy. And this is probably the only energy drink that allows you to sleep very well. Now, this is the part where we make the great even greater. Are you ready? Introducing the first VitaPlus Energy Pack. One pack contains 9 health packs. It contains 3 boxes each of the landan, melon, and pineapple. The perfect addition to the Power and Booster Pack family. This is perfect for your needs. The new Energy Pack. And number 12. Do you know how to get 6 inches of natural moringa? You drink no other than the first VitaPlus Live Cola Moringa Drink. The perfect alternative to soft drinks. So wala na pong inom ng soft drinks magmula ngayon. Because our Live Cola Moringa drink is, of course, healthier and like all our products, great tasting, syempre, only from First VitaPlus. And our 13th announcement, yung paborito ko sa lahat, introducing our first VitaPlus Vita Quenchers. Ready to drink? Refreshing and healthy. This natural goodness comes in 2 delicious, healthy variants, namely citrus mix and summer fruit medley. Super sarap po. Kids and adults will surely love this. And now, my pride and joy, my own personal testimony of my own Vita journey. 2 years ago po, I shared with you the story of my beloved Mama Do, who was diagnosed with stage 4 timely cancer with about 2 to 3 months to live. A very rare form of cancer. It was a very trying time for the family because first, even the doctors here in the Philippines know so little about timely cancer. It is rare, very rare, and if the doctors are to be believed, They said that it was impossible to cure. We saw our mama go through various kinds, degrees, and forms of medications. Siyempre po, pag mahal mo isang tao, lahat ng pwedeng gawin ay ibibigay. Lahat ng sabihin ng doktor gagawin. It was beyond painful. It was traumatic actually for our whole family. And that was my own journey. And you know, I would like to share with you a quote of Mama. One Christmas in 2015, Mama was just on chemotherapy. So Mama began 15 grueling sessions of 5 cycles of chemotherapy. Alam niyo po, yun ang pinakamasakit at pinaka-heartbreaking na makita ang iyong ina na hindi ka makilala, putok-putok ang labi, pumayat down to 105 pounds. At parang, you know, you only want that sana ma-recognize ka lang, maalala ka lang. So that was Mama Christmas of 2015. Hindi ko makatingin sa camera dahil hindi niya alam kung ano kanyang ginagawa. That was when she was undergoing chemotherapy. Kasi yun po ang sabi ng doktor. But you know, 3 things made me stronger despite it all. 1, my love for her. 2, my mama's drive and determination to win the battle over the big C. And 3, my belief that First VitaPlus is here. Kaya alam niyo po, pagkatapos kong pagbigyan ng mga doktor, kahit na ayoko yung mag-chemotherapy si Mama, sabi ko sa sarili ko, nandito ang First VitaPlus, gagawa ako ng produkto na para sa mama ko. So my beloved dealers, that's why it is my pride and joy. I present to you our powerhouse product, the First VitaPlus